What's up, everybody? My name is Millie and I'm with R.AGE, and we're doing a video for a food fight, and I decided to make brownies in a mug because sometimes you're at work and you're getting hungry, it's 5 p.m. and there's no food to eat. So now you can actually make super easy brownies in your coffee mug and your colleagues' coffee mugs because everybody wants brownies too. So we use cocoa powder, baking powder, vanilla essence, maple syrup for sugar, salt, but you don't use the whole thing lah. You just use 1 teaspoon, and ta-da! Palm oil, which is good for your heart, and it basically makes this muffin super guilt-free, and you can eat 5,000 if you want. I'm not a doctor, so don't take my recommendation. I'm just saying. Alright, so guilt-free, super norms, I hope, because I'm very noob. Alright, so we're gonna start off with 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. As you can tell, I'm actually referring to the recipe here. Okay. 3, I hope this is enough tablespoons. Okay. Sorry, still referring to the phone. Alright, so now I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of palm oil, or just agak-agak, because we don't have measuring cups. I'm sorry. So here it goes. I'm kind of scared. Okay, that looks like a good amount of oil to put in a brownie. But if you pour too much, it's alright, because there's no cholesterol in this. Haha! 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. They make it look so easy on TV. Alright. Ta-da! Why do they say pinch of salt? That is so vague. What if I have big hands? One teaspoon of vanilla. I think if you put too much, then it'll just be more vanilla-y, right? I don't think it'll be a problem. 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. And I like maple syrup, so I'm just going to go a bit crazy here. Alright. So that's it for my ingredients. And now we're just gonna mix it up. Ooh, it's already starting to feel a little bit like a brownie. And you can serve this with ice cream, but I'm not going to. And yeah, I think it's good to go into the microwave. So the recipe says to put it in for a minute and then check on it at 30-second intervals. Please cook. Please be a good brownie. And be delicious. And don't embarrass me. Alright! Cloth time! Now I have a problem, because I can't reach it. It's actually quite good. I should put a bit more maple syrup. I should put a lot more maple syrup. This chocolate has no sugar in it. If this was like your office snack, it's almost done. And you'd have a brownie in your mug, and your whole office is gonna smell like chocolate, and everyone's gonna be jealous, and they're gonna want to be your friend. Okay, that made me sound like I have no friends. I have friends, I swear. Doesn't smell burnt. That's a good sign. Okay, it's kind of crumbly. Looks cooked. I'm just gonna add some more maple syrup into this thing because it's not sweet enough. And ta-da! You've got brownie in a mug. I'm sorry, it's kind of messy, but as I said, I'm really noob. But I am going to go and have my brownie in a mug, and now you can too. Just be sure to add enough sugar.